Today I'm going to show you how to work on the memorization of the 7's facts. So let's start with 7 taken one time. And how much do we have? Yeah, we've got 7. So let's show that by putting the 7's bead vertically underneath it, and we'll record it. So 7 taken one time, or 7 times 1 equals 7. Okay, let's put these back. What would be next? 7 taken 2 times. Go ahead and count that up. How much do we have? Yeah, we've got 14. So we need 1 10 and a 4's bead to show our answer of 14. Let's record that. 7 taken 2 times, or 7 times 2 equals 14. Okay, let's put these back and let's do one more together. Okay, what would be next? 7 taken 3 times. Okay, and how much do we have here? Yeah, we have 21, so we need 2 of our 10s to show 20, and 1. So there's our answer. All right, let's record that. 7 times 3 equals 21. All right, so you will continue on with 7 times 4, 7 times 5, and go all the way down till you get to 7 times 10. All right, that's it.